everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started!
Singable Words.
The word is
courteous.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Courteous is to be polite and respectful. The synonyms are to be well-mannered and nice, but not to be rude and inconsiderate.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Kind, considerate, thoughtful.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Impolite, disrespectful, mean.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the courteous ghost always say excuse me before passing through the walls? Because he didn't want to be rudely transparent. Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
Even though he was busy, the cashier remained courteous and polite to every customer.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.